Let me tell you something you might not like. You're not failing to lose weight. You're just following a path that won't lead you to results. Many people feel like they're putting in a lot of effort, walking, working out, trying to eat better, yet the scale doesn't move. And that's when the doubt starts. Is something wrong with my body? Do I have a slow metabolism? Am I different from others? But the truth is much simpler. There are small mistakes, repeated daily, that block your progress. Mistake number 1, relying only on cardio. You walk every day, maybe even run, and feel like you've done everything. But what most people don't realize is that cardio alone is not enough. Your body adapts and reduces how much energy it burns. So you get tired, but fat loss doesn't change. The problem isn't walking, it's thinking it's the only solution. Mistake number 2, eating healthy without awareness. You eat dates, nuts, honey, and say, this is healthy. Yes, it is, but is it low in calories? Your body doesn't care if food is healthy or not, it responds to numbers. You can eat healthy and still gain weight. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. Mistake number 3, temporary motivation. You start strong, saying, this time I'll succeed. You last a few days, then stop. Not because you can't, but because you relied on motivation, and motivation doesn't last. Results don't come from your best day. They come from the normal days when you didn't feel like doing anything, but you still showed up. Mistake number 4, ignoring sleep. It may sound strange, but sleep is part of fat loss. When you don't sleep well, hunger increases and self-control decreases. Fat burning also becomes less efficient. In other words, you're working against your own body. Mistake number 5, rushing results. The most dangerous mistake. You start, a few days pass with no visible change, so you quit. But the truth is, your body needs time to change. You didn't gain weight in a week, so don't expect to lose it in a week. In the end, weight loss isn't a complicated secret. It's simple understanding and consistent action.